Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
A 78-degree air temperature with the dew point value almost the same, coming in at 76. Ooh, it's so sticky outside right now. Lots of moisture in the air. The atmosphere is just laden with water vapor, and it is primed to produce showers. Dew point value is high. The humidity is high. The winds right now are fairly calm, though generally they've been out of the southwest, and that's helping to really just funnel in that moisture from Gulf waters, which are itself, Gulf waters, running a couple of degrees above the average. So the amount of water vapor being produced into the air is a little bit above average. Looking at a 7 a.m. Chance of rainfall, good at about 30%. Those showers, again, coming from the Gulf waters, moving to the north and to the east across the area. A 50% chance of rain, though, when you throw in a little daytime heating, which we will see today as we have a mix of sun and clouds, and that'll carry us in through the afternoon hours, and then in the evening we'll start to decrease rain chances as the sun begins to wane. We're looking at a lot of rainfall to the north of us. That's where a trough of low pressure's effect is most pronounced. But even in our area, that southwest wind continues to funnel the moisture in. We are looking at some pretty good thunderstorms as well as heavy rainfall across the region this morning. A couple of cells moved on past. Now, the speed is pretty good. The forward speed is pretty good. So we're not really looking at any instances of flooding unless we get one shower after another set up. But that doesn't look like it's going to be the case. But plenty of thunderstorm activity this morning, though. So do be careful as you head out the door. Remember your lightning safety rules today. We could have a couple more thunderstorms this morning before we head into the afternoon and see even more thunder in inland areas. One shower now moving up toward Manhattan, another shower down to the south, moving through central Sarasota. Mix of sun and clouds in the forecast as we get a little bit of drier air located just to our south, indicated here by these tan contours. Some of that will be lifting north over the course of the next 24 hours and maybe reduce our rain chances a little bit tomorrow, but certainly on Sunday. So today, we have a good chance of seeing those showers with the high pressure ridge located where it is, with a stalled frontal boundary located where it is, kind of funneling in that southwesterly wind flow across the state and bringing those showers our way. We have a good chance of rain this afternoon, particularly scattered showers, some drier weekend weather, as I just mentioned, from that dry air lifting north, and then more typical weather headed our way next week, I think, but probably not till midweek next week. Water vapor imagery showing you this is the precipitable water model showing you where the moisture is in the air and where it is not. In this case, redder is wetter, and the blue is the drier air. Watch what happens as we put it into motion and take you into Friday. You can see a tongue of that drier air kind of moving across central Florida. That's going to reduce our rain chances a little bit, but it doesn't last long. The moisture returns with another little impulse in the upper atmosphere, driving that moisture south once again, increasing our Sunday rain chances. For boaters today, you'll be dodging those showers and even a thunderstorm or two, but the winds will be fairly consistent, southwest at about 10 throughout the day today. Light chop, 2-foot seas. Forecast calling for a daytime high, probably around 90 or so, and then over the next several days, we'll lower the rain chances, particularly on Saturday. I think that'll be our lowest rainfall chance, probably the 7 days ahead. As we move into Sunday, we'll start to increase the rain chances again as that little impulse in the upper atmosphere drives more moisture into the region, and the same thing on Monday. Then perhaps on Tuesday and Wednesday, we return to more typical summertime patterns featuring more sunshine for most of the day along the coastline, followed by those afternoon showers building inland and drifting back toward the coast.